Welcome to this tutorial on how to day trade on Sofi, a popular online trading platform. Day trading involves buying and selling financial instruments within a single trading day, with the goal of profiting from the fluctuations in the market. To get started, you need to create a Sofi account and deposit funds into it. Once your account is set up, you can navigate to the trading section of the platform, where you can choose from a variety of assets, including stocks, options, and ETFs. Before you begin trading, it is essential to understand the key concepts of day trading, including leverage, stop-loss orders, and position sizing. Leverage allows you to control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital, but it also increases the risk of significant losses. A stop-loss order is a risk management tool that automatically sells a security when it reaches a certain price, limiting your potential losses. Position sizing refers to the amount of capital you allocate to a particular trade, and it is crucial to manage your risk by adjusting your position size according to your account balance and risk tolerance. To place a trade on Sofi, simply select the asset you want to trade. Choose the type of order you want to use, such as a market order or limit order, and specify the number of shares you want to buy or sell. You can also set a stop-loss order and take profit target to manage your risk and potential profit. A practical example of day trading on Sofi would be to buy 100 shares of a stock in the morning, with the goal of selling it at a higher price later in the day. If the stock price rises, you can sell your shares at a profit, but if it falls, you can limit your losses by selling at a stop-loss price. Best practices for day trading on Sofi include starting with a solid understanding of the markets and trading strategies, setting clear goals and risk management parameters, and staying disciplined and patient. It is also essential to stay up to date with market news and analysis, and to continuously learn and improve your trading skills. In conclusion, day trading on Sofi can be a rewarding and profitable experience, but it requires a thorough understanding of the markets, trading strategies, and risk management techniques. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and practicing discipline and patience, you can increase your chances of success and achieve your trading goals.